Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is the latest Kaizer Chiefs news. Khanyisa Mayo, Xolani Khosa, and Bruce Vuma said to stay at Kaizer Chiefs. We are also going to talk about Langelihle Phili's preferred move. Make sure you smash a like. Let me know your thoughts down on the comment section and subscribe to the channel if you are new. So let's start with Khanyisa Mayo. So according to Sokhala Duma, Kaizer Chiefs are said to keep Khanyisa Mayo on a permanent deal. Of course, he was at the club on a 1 year loan deal with an obligation to buy, and it seems like Kaizer Chiefs are going to trigger that option. Look, I said a few weeks ago, few weeks or few days ago, let's make this permanent. Kanyisa Mayo, yes, he didn't have a great season, but there's a player there. So this is a risk we should be taking. We're talking about someone who's proven himself in the league with Cape Town City, and yeah, one of the best forwards in the league on his day. So I think this is a great signing for us, man. If Kanyisa Mayo can, hit his form next season, he gets us at least 10 league goals, and that would put us in a great position. We also have Flavio Silva who's getting 8. So yeah, I think this is a good decision by Kaizer Chiefs. It's risky, but it's a risk I'm willing to take, and this is one of them signings whereby if things don't work out, I'm not going to come here and say, oh, um, Bobby Mtaung this, Keza Mtau Jr. this, because I understand where they're coming from. So yeah, I think this is a great deal. Let's just hope it works out. Now let's move to another player who's staying at Kaizer Chiefs. Bruce Vuma is set to get a 1 year contract extension. Now I told you he was going to get another chance. This guy is officially the longest serving player at Kaizer Chiefs in this current squad. Our longest serving player is a number 2 goalkeeper who can't save anything. Our longest saving player is one of our worst players. Can you hear how insane that sounds? Can you hear how insane that sounds? Our worst goalkeeper is our longest serving player. He's getting a new contract. Now this is a typical Kaizer Chiefs decision, mate. This is a typical Kaizer Chiefs decision. If you are shocked, if you expected Kaizer Chiefs to let go of Bruce Vuma, then I'm sorry, you've been in prison for the last whatever years. You've either been in prison or in coma. This was an easy decision, easy option to take, and they're always going to go for the easier option, and that's to keep Bruce Vuma, instead of going out there and find a reliable number 2. So yeah, man, if Brendan Peterson um, suffers an injury, then we are in trouble. We are in trouble because I think he's going to be the number 2 ahead of Fias Ntwari, and we saw what happened last season without Brendan Peterson and Bruce Vuma was in goal. So yeah, man, terrible decision, terrible decision. Now let's move to Xolani Khosa, who's set to stay at Kaizer Chiefs. He's going to join the team for the preseason after being handed a 2 year contract following a successful loan spell in Botswana. Now, look, I'm not sure what's the plan here, but I think a loan move for him was going to be the better option. I think a loan move for him in the Betway Premiership was going to be a better option for both parties. He's a left centre back, 22 years old. I don't think he's going to play ahead of Rushun Totli and Chabom Loisan, So, okay, maybe you put him there as a third choice, but uh, how many games does a third choice player plays in a season? So I don't know. I think it was going to be better if we sent him out on loan, so he can gain experience and come back ready, because yes, he does have professional football experience, but the Botswana league is, compared to our league, it's weaker. It's weaker, respectfully. So yeah, he's set to stay. Let's see how this pans out. And um, we are playing in the CAF Confederations Cup, so it's going to be many games. Last season we were struggling with injuries, so if we suffer the same situation this season, at least we have three left center backs. So yeah, man, probably he will get some more minutes under those circumstances, but under normal circumstances he's not going to play. So it was better to send him out on loan. But yeah, Xolani Khosa is set to stay with the Kaizer Chiefs first team. Now let's move to Langeli Hlepili. And this, I don't know, this might be a blow because Langeli Hlepili's preference is a move abroad. Now, I don't think this would stop us from signing Langeli Hlepili if we're going all out for him. Yes, his preference is to go to Europe, to go abroad, but he hasn't received anything from abroad. He hasn't received any offer. So he's still there. He's still available. I think if we go to Stellenbosch, give them the 16 million they want, and yeah, talk to Langeli Hlepili to say, okay, it's fine if a team from Europe comes knocking, for what, 20 million, for more than what we paid for you, we are going to let you go, and it's fine. You can always break that promise. You can always break that promise when next season a team from whatever, Saudi, Qatar, comes knocking, and he comes and say, you told me if I get an offer from abroad, you're going to let me go. And we can always go like, nah, man, we've changed our minds. Yeah, we've changed our minds. You're still contracted to Kaizer Chiefs, and there's nothing he can do. But let's be serious, man. I don't think this should be stopping us from signing Langeli Hlepili. And this is coming from his father, So okay, it's his father. He definitely knows what his son wants, and he's going to have an influence there. And he made it clear that he doesn't want his son to play in the Betway Premiership for any other team besides Stellenbosch. But um, mate, if we are serious about getting Langeli Hlepili, this is definitely not stopping us. But yeah, I think we're going to use this as an excuse to say, okay, Langeli Hlepili preferred a move abroad, when in reality we know we are going to back down because of the price tag. But yeah, man, nothing new there. So yeah, that's all. Let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Smash a like. Thanks for watching. I'm out.